T-Rex vs. Apache helicopter, who would win? Part 1. The Dinosaur Rampage. What if a real T-Rex suddenly appeared in modern-day New York City? 9 tons of pure muscle, 12-inch teeth, unstoppable rage. The dinosaur roars through the city, smashing cars and buildings. People run for their lives, but wait, the military arrives with an Apache helicopter. This thing is equipped with heat-seeking missiles, night vision, and deadly precision. It hovers above the city, scanning for the beast. So here's the question. Can millions of years of evolution stand against modern war machines? Well, let's find out, but first, Part 2, the actual battle. As the Apache gets closer, the T-Rex finally spots it. Can the dino take out the helicopter before it's too late? Or will the Apache's advanced technology be its downfall? Stay tuned to find out. And don't forget to subscribe so you never miss an epic showdown.